Adam Collingwood here, and welcome to today's training session. It's a very quick one. Hopefully it should last for about 5 minutes. I'll show you a very neat trade setup this morning, which could have made you a considerable amount of pips. So let's go. What we're looking at is a 1 hour chart of the DAX, and what I want you to do is look to the left of your screen, and what you will see is this horizontal red line going across. This is our line of resistance, which is at 10,962. Okay. Now, on Wednesday, the 9th of Jan, at 1 o'clock, this 1 hour candle hit this line. Okay, so that was the first point that we're looking at here. Okay, so that was on Wednesday, the 9th of Jan last week. Okay, and then the price fell to this level of support here at 10,786. And lo and behold, the price comes back up and tries to test this level again. So there's one, and then there's a second test here to try and break through, which was at 10,962, and then it just tried to get through a little bit further here. Okay, and then it got pushed back again. All right, so all the way back down, strangely enough, to this line of support. So what you can see very quickly there is that the price, I've come probably a bit too far there, the price has come down and hit this line twice before gravitating back, guess what, towards this level again, 10,962, so the third time. And this candle, this 8 o'clock candle, it was a high test candle. It pushed all the way through to 10,996 before coming racing back down again. Okay, so it's tested it for the third time on this 1 hour chart. So where's the opportunity? We're going to zoom all the way in to the 1 minute time frame. And so what we're looking for is a really good entry point. So we don't know whether this is going to be a breakout yet. Okay, so it's hit this level again for the third time. We don't know. It starts to break out, 10,962, or it's coming up to 10,990. Is it going to get up to R3, resistance 3? These are on my chart, but I don't really take that much notice of them. Everybody looks at those all the time, but they're just red herrings. Is it going to get there? Is it going to get there? No, it doesn't. And it starts to come back again very quickly. Yeah, so from the 8 o'clock, in fact, this is the DAX, the 8 o'clock open on the FT 100. Okay, which tends to change things about a bit, which it did this morning, because we can see the price then crossed back through this level of resistance and started to drop. And where is the entry point? The entry point was here. Okay, 10,965 wasn't up here because we didn't know what was going to happen next. It could have gone that way, but we've always got to look for where's our entry point going to be and where are we going to get out. So stop up here, entry here, and the price dropped from 10,964, and at the moment it's 10,865. So there you go, there's 100 pips. And you see this point here, although it's at pivot, but it's also a major level of support. Potentially we could see this come down to a 10,849. But don't be surprised if today we see the price come back up to at least 10,918 again, and who knows? I mean, and sometimes in the market's a game of two halves. We could see it gravitate towards 10,962, but we're not going to just do that. We're going to wait for the price to cross over certain lines. If you've done the DAX Income Optimizer course, you know where those lines are. This is an easy trade setup, the easy one this morning, that 100 pipper, yeah, and potentially we can take that back up. All right, so just to recap, 1 hour time frame, we have 1, 2 this morning, 3 goes No, so the third go this morning, trying to get through 10,969 before it starts to sell off. Now, one thing also of note is this line here, this trend line here. Okay, the price has got to break through that to see it drop a bit further. Okay, now we could see the price using this trend line here as support. Okay, so see these two trend lines here. Okay, the price, we got to look at these, okay, because they are important. The price might just range between these two levels today. Okay, having gone as high as that this morning, it could just range between these two as they've narrowed. Okay, so that's it for me. 100 pips would have been in the bag this morning had you traded that, and potentially we could, if it struggles to break through this level, we could just see a retrace back up again, okay, a little bit later, but we'll do that following the income optimizer strategy as normal. All right, okay, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did like it, then please like it. If you think anybody else can benefit from this, then please share it with them. And I will see you on the next training session.